How are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. Thanks
Nice,
for asking.
very nice.
Um, I am. It is a pleasure to me. I'm really happy to start these sessions. And as you can see, I just need to improve uh, my speaking skills. Um, but I will uh, give give you my best effort in this process, and I think this is about effort, about try and try again, and learn from you all the things that I need to improve in this case. Uh, that's a little difficult to me because I'm not uh, I'm I'm not familiar uh, to speak English for long for long times, long periods. I don't know. Uh, yeah.
Yes, go on, go on.
Well, it is a pleasure to meet you. I am from Venezuela. I am 25 years old. Um, I work as a software engineer, and I have been working by 5 years. So that's the reason because I'm here. I need to improve my English skills because uh, there are a lot customers who native speakers. So it is a wall. It's something like a limit
Uh-huh.
that I need to cross to throw into the wall. I I don't know. It is still difficult to. I'm doing my best. Sorry.
No, it's okay, it's
And
okay. Uh-huh, go on,
yeah.
go on.
Well, uh, I want to improve my communication skills. I'm
Mm-hmm.
better in writing English than speaking, but uh, it is a thing that I need to improve. So it's hard. It's hard, but I'm really. I don't know what when you feel like you want to do something with passion. You're. I'm trying to talk about compromise. I don't know what's the word. Could you help me? I'm trying to say. Com- I'm trying to talk about compromise.
Uh-huh.
Mm, can I search the word that I want to mean
Yes,
in the
you can
translate?
search, but I strongly suggest you to try to explain this thing in from another way, if you can.
Okay, okay,
So think of
that's
it
perfect.
another way. It's really
Okay, okay, perfect.
helps your brain.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, I'm really passionate. I'm really passionate about this process, and it's okay. There is another word that I want to say, but I don't know how to say it. But uh, I want to. I want to. Uh, Give me 1 second.
Okay, no,
Okay,
that's okay. Okay.
I'm finding another way to say it.
Uh-huh.
Mhm. Okay, I'm really stuck. I'm stuck, and
No, no, it's okay. Really good, uh, really good speech, and I feel really good as you do this. Okay, so let's start by this. So you want to interact and communicate with other people, mostly native
yeah.
in English, and they are your clients and your customers. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Very good. And you said that you're a software engineer. You're a developer. Yeah.
yes,
Uh huh. Which
yes.
programming language are you coding with?
C sharp, C sharp,
Ah.
.NET. It's that the technology
So you are
that
a
I use
backend
most.
developer. Yes, I think.
I am
You're a backend developer, yeah?
no, a full stack developer.
Oh, full stack developer. So the front
Yep,
end,
yep.
which is the
Yeah,
front?
in Angular,
Oh,
Angular,
yes, Angular.
and Blazor, and if I use some patterns as MVC, maybe I could use HTML with CSS, and
Mm-hmm.
that is native from the MVC pattern. So yeah, and in the database, I know SQL and NoSQL. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and in backend, as I said before, .NET it's where I'm stronger. It's
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very
uh,
good, very
where,
good.
okay, yeah, but I know how to create an application in Node.js too. So I know JavaScript as uh, in backend as in frontend. Yeah, using the ECMAScript.
Uh-huh.
So
Uh-huh.
yeah,
Very good, very good.
it's really good. Yeah,
So,
that's my passion. Really.
uh-huh. So suppose I'm your client and I
Okay.
don't know about the technical things. So,
Okay.
can you give me a list of what's your value proposition and what how you can benefit, how can I receive some benefit from you for my business? Yes. So all in all, you create a website, I think. Yeah, you're a web developer.
Okay.
Okay. So can you explain? Maybe I don't. I like to, for example, go for a WordPress, or I want to go for a Webflow or something like that. So please suggest me and encourage me to, pay you to build a website for me.
Okay. So you want an explanation of what you paid or something like that?
No, I'm new and I'm just, for example, searching developers and
Okay.
the ways, and I'm running to you.
Okay.
So go on.
Okay. Okay. So like an interview, right?
It's
An interview.
somehow not you. You're not gonna be employed. It's a, for example, freelancer. I have you. For example,
Okay.
I can
Okay.
give you a
Perfect.
project. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Go.
So you're telling me, sell me your service,
Yes.
something
Yes.
like that.
Exactly. Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's a good question. Um, I did not, explain that before, so that's new for me. Okay.
It's okay.
Uh, well, as I said before, I am a software engineer. I have 5 years working on IT service. So I have the opportunity to co-work in a lot of type of different projects, working with projects, for example, e-commerce. If you have a little market and you want to grow up, you can mm, you can see the opportunity uh, to make an e-commerce that will be helpful for you. So
Mm-hmm.
I have experience working with commerce with ERPs. If you have a company, a company, uh, I want to say about the size, a great company, big, okay, big.
Mm-hmm.
If you have a big company, uh, you can you must need an ERP to manage and handle all the process, the inter processing, the company process, like the management of some entities like users, the permission of the user, the what you all of the things that you need to save to manage to know. Talking about the an inventory, for example, if you want to sell, I don't know, shoes, you need to keep you informed about your inventory, your orders, your sales order and purchase orders, and an ERP must be a system that you must need if you want to grow up in that topic, for example.
Mm-hmm.
And I know how to create that type of application. And for example, keep going in the example of the shoes market. If you want to ship your shoes to work with companies like FedEx, UPC, for example, uh, you can use an application like a warehouse, like a WMS. That's the acronym of that type of applications. So with a warehouse, you can ship and manage the shipment process, beginning when the product get out, when your product you have the product and you ship the product, and you can see when the product is staged in some warehouse, and when the product arrives to the destiny that you need to ship, for example.
Mm-hmm.
um, I know how to work with that kind of application. I'm an expert in the different patterns of .NET. Yeah, I'm really passionate about it because uh, I try to keep me in the vanguard about this topic because uh, the technologies uh, keep continually changing, and we need to study a lot to keep us in the vanguard. So uh, I really like to study about different patterns to manage in to manage the system in the best way. You know,
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
try to work taking care about the performance, taking care about the usability, the reusability,
Mm-hmm.
the objective. I'm trying to give uh, I'm trying to give uh, much much quality.
More.
Trying to give more quality. Yeah, but I think I'm trying to say quality, but in the great expression. You know,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to mean.
Okay, okay, Chris,
Yeah,
it's okay, very good, nice try. I ask you to
yeah,
record yourself when get record a video from yourself. Also, try to write down a script for this video. And during our sessions, you
yeah,
can try to boost it up. You can try to fix it. Maybe you need to try to get some feedbacks, and I will help you. I can't maybe help you technically, but I have something know about how about the marketing and about about the presentation. I will help
okay,
you, but and it's really important. It's really important because I have worked with some of the developers, and the main shortage between almost all of them is that they can't present themselves and they can't persuade the client that why you should hand your project to me. Yes,
yeah.
and
That's really
it's
important.
really beneficial for you, but so let's dive into our uh, main subject, learning English.
Yeah,
So you said that you want to speak with other English with native speakers, or maybe native or not native, or
yeah,
and also you want to know some about writing. Maybe you want to email them and contact them via message. Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Yep. I want to improve my English in general.
Uh huh. Very
So
good. Very good. Very good.
I am stronger in writing English,
Uh huh.
but it's important to learn to learn the to learn all, you know, the writing and the speaking. So yeah,
Okay. Okay. And just tell me if you do like animations, movies, series, music
yep,
in
yes, yeah.
English.
I have Netflix too. Yeah, yeah. I like serials, movies, animations. Yeah.
In English.
Uh, in English, once I tried to see movies in with subtitles in English. I think I I, s- I watched two maybe, yeah, but that's all. And
Okay.
yeah, I can uh, do a homework something, watch movies. If you tell me, I can do it. Right? I would love if uh, I would love if you uh, teach me some. Uh, if you give me some tools, some uh, yeah, some tools, some help about what I can do to improve in English. Yep, I really uh, want it.
Okay, okay. I will do my best. So, I think you like animations more than music. I think you didn't mention to any music
Uh, uh,
in English.
and that's equals to me. That's equal to me. So I like music and animation, but uh, um, I listen English music right
Yeah?
now in Spotify.
Yes, name some of them?
Christian songs,
Uh huh.
something like I don't know. For example, for Jordan Felix is one of them, and Danny Goki. There is a lot
Uh
of
huh. Uh-huh. Very good, very good.
yeah.
Okay,
I like
so
the English music.
okay, okay, very good. So let me show you first how we learn English with animation, movies, series, I don't know, music, and
Okay.
it should be native in English. And also, you
Perfect.
should like it,
Perfect.
and
Okay.
you should understand without subtitle around 50%, 20%, 70%, not zero, not
Yes.
100. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. 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 We are talking series like Invincible, for example.
What was that?
Invincible.
Uh huh, uh huh, uh huh. Yes, yes, thank you. Uh, so,
No. Sorry. Uh, you are talking animation movies or animation series like Invincible. Invincible is an animated series.
Invincible.
Invincible. Yeah. Uh, you
Actually,
don't know? Don't worry.
yes, yes, I heard it, but I'm searching which, because many animations I've seen,
Yeah.
and these days I'm trying to sort, and also uh, learning English is something that is my issue. So all of them I justified them by, for example, the level of the English, and I had some
Okay.
something that we should organize. Okay, so you have my screen now.
Yep.
Okay. I know it might be really for kids. I know we can
Okay.
change it, but I just want to show you how it works. I play around 1 minute or 2 minutes, and suppose this animation is a native English speaker. So you need to understand it. If you can't understand the whole idea, not every detail, you can't communicate with that person. So let's go on, and if you can understand it. Ready?
Okay.
So did you get the idea?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Uh huh. So explain it for me.
Okay. Uh, in the beginning, it was rain, so they cannot they uh, cannot play. Uh, I don't know how to say the word. They cannot jump into body models because they are at home because it's raining. So after that, when the rain stopped, they go to they go out the home and it start to jump into body models. But in the beginning, Peppa is not wearing her shoes. Or its shoes. It's a pig.
Yeah, yeah, really?
And
Very good.
and her mom said that if she want to jump into body model, uh, she must use special shoes uh, to jump and keep jumping.
Very good. Yes, yes. You got the whole idea, also the details of this animation. So you pass the first step. You can communicate with that native English speaker. So the second goal is that you, if in order to build this communication more effectively and impact on that person, you need to understand all the words that he or she is speaking about. And maybe we can't identify this all of these words. It's completely okay, but we need to practice and practice until we our knowledge and our comprehension become better and better. Okay, so I ask you to bring a piece of paper and two pens if you can. If you can't, maybe we can do this for another session, and I just show you how it works. I
Uh,
mean, explain
Sorry,
for you.
can you repeat what do you need that I
Can
what
you
do you need from me?
can you write down something if I ask you right now?
Okay, okay, yeah. If you want,
So, do you have
let me
pen?
open that.
Oh, so
That's right.
you want to type on your mobile phone?
Yeah, I am in my mobile. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay. No, no, it's okay. Um, I don't want to bother you.
No, no,
And
don't worry, don't worry. Eh, that's okay. If you think I can write for you, and in front of me I have my laptop, so I
uh-huh.
can
Yes, yes, yes. You
switch
can
my
use your
laptop
laptop.
and
Yes.
let me switch. 1 minute.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, now that's my best version of English speaker because in in the past days I spoke with some customers, so I need like I need to survive in that sessions. So that's how I was I don't know how to say that word. If I must speak,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
it's
I see that. Yes,
okay.
yeah. Okay.
Uh,
So, would
let
you mind
me.
if I ask you are a freelancer or employee in a company or an agency?
I'm an employee. Yeah,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
in the in a company from Argentina. Yeah,
So,
they're not native speakers of English, so all since my environment's in Spanish, so
uh-huh.
uh,
Uh-huh.
there are no too much moments when I need to speak in English. So
Uh-huh.
that's the point.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So, and your mother tongue is Spanish.
Can you repeat?
Your
Uh,
mother tongue is Spanish.
yep.
Uh-huh,
I
uh-huh.
am from Venezuela, so yeah, yeah. Uh, Español, perfecto.
Uh-huh, yeah. Gracias, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. On my laptop, so let me mute my phone.
Okay, okay. Also, I need your phone for some other things.
Perfect. Okay. Uh,
Yes, it has some echoes.
yes, yeah. That's okay. And
Okay,
let
okay.
me
Very good.
stop.
Very good. So,
Oh, my laptop don't have access to the camera, so
uh-huh,
I'm still
uh-huh.
here.
Okay, okay. It's okay. So, I ask you to just write down everything that you hear. But if you can understand all of them, please repeat. And if it's correct, we can go for the next sentence. Okay? But if you
Okay,
don't, you can, for example, use two colors. Um, One of them for the colors that you identified, and the other one for the word that you can't identify or you identify it in a wrong way. Yeah?
okay.
Okay?
Uh,
Ready?
Please tell me when I need to start the typing.
So,
Okay.
repeat it, repeat it.
Uh, I think just waiting today.
One more time.
Okay.
It is raining today.
Oh, it is raining today.
Very good, very good. Yeah, yeah, exactly.
So Pep
It is raining today.
Uh
Yep.
huh. Uh huh. Very good, very good. Yes, yes.
day, so Pepper and George cannot play outside.
Okay.
Uh huh. Very good. Yes, yes. How fast speak typing?
Yeah, that's my work.
Okay, okay. Very good, very good.
Daddy, it stopped raining.
uh, I cannot catch it. Can you repeat it?
No,
This is
even one word, it works. Also, you
uh,
can guess from the context.
Daddy, it stopped raining.
okay. Uh,
Tell me what you just heard.
I'm sure that you're saying something like "Daddy, the rain stops," but she used another words.
Very good. Yes, yes,
Said,
exactly.
she said, "Daddy,
So please
stop raining."
write this down. For example, somewhere that you can see it regularly, because you need to practice over this. Because sometimes we can't understand fast speaking natives. There are some rules in their speech that makes this hard for us to understand them. For example, they connect the words together. They reduce some of the pronunciation and phonetics, or they may change them. You know, and
Yes.
also if we learn these rules but also we can't understand them either, our brain must be trained to like a I don't know, controlling system or AI system
Yeah, AI.
To be, yes, yes, to be trained and trained with too many examples. And as we, as our brain receive these examples, try to improve itself. And as we go on and on, we understand fast speaking natives more and more and more. But our brain must, we should uh, get some information to our brain. So we said to our brain that you cannot understand the word stopped, for example, here. No matter what's the rules behind it, so your brain will be set automatically in a way that the word stop will be clear for it for if your brain will receive again such a for example this sentence or like this sentence. You got my point, or should I explain it more?
Uh, I think
I think
is
I made it complicated. Sorry, sorry.
no, don't worry, don't worry.
Yeah.
I think you said our brains, even if the we don't get even if we don't know the meaning of the some word in a sentence, we can catch the idea as as a context. Uh, you're you're saying that?
It also really helps us to understand. But for example, here, let me take it back.
Daddy, it stopped raining.
It stopped raining. Connect the words together. Yeah? So,
Okay.
by knowing, just knowing this rule, that for example, the native English speakers connect the words together. You can't
Yes.
understand these connected speech because your brain must be trained with the exact connected speech. Yes, you must hear, yes, the connected speech. So, and you must say it again and again to become familiar. Your ears and your brain become familiar with the connected speech. So, as you face to a connected speech one more time, the person you probably can understand it. Yes, maybe it
Yes.
takes, for example, I don't know. It's vary from one person from the other, but it may take, I don't know, 3 months or 6 months, and you need to work daily. But it's really important, far important. And if you can't comprehend someone, you can't say something or sell something to them. Understand? Got my point?
Yes. Yes. Yep.
Well,
I get it.
uh-huh. So, this is why learning rules really doesn't work, and you should practice in a procedure, in a methodology like this. And okay, so we'll go on. So it's a connected speech. It stopped raining. Stop raining. Yes. This Peppa doesn't say it stopped raining. Yeah. See that?
It stopped raining. Okay. Okay.
Uh huh.
Stop
So I
raining.
ask you, Chris, to pick up your phone and
Okay.
try to record yourself. This is also helps your pronunciation and also fluency. And you can speak unconsciously without any pauses, without any, you know, think about something, a word, and it really helps you be more effective, be more impressive to your listener. Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh. So, first, I play and you record the original one, and right after that, try to repeat it. Okay? This really helps you compare the original one with your voice. And if you even sense a slight difference, a slight change between the original and the if your voice, please try to record again and fix your pronunciation. Okay?
Perfect.
Okay?
Yes,
So,
that's perfect. Yeah. And you need to. You want to play that exercise right now?
yes,
Uh,
if you don't mind and if you can record.
yep, yep. I can.
Okay,
Let
okay.
me.
So, are you ready?
Uh, Give me 1 second to open the recorder app.
Okay, okay.
So recorder. So I need to record the original voice, and
Hmm.
after that, record my pronunciation.
Yes, 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 exactly.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
we'll start by three, two, one.
Daddy, it stopped raining.
Okay.
Repeat, repeat, repeat.
Daddy, it stopped raining.
So, play that for me.
Okay. Let me save. And Daddy, it stopped raining. Okay.
One more time, please repeat your voice. Just your voice.
Okay. 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 Daddy, it stopped raining. Okay. I think here. Daddy, it stopped raining.
Can you repeat
Can
it?
you hear me?
Can you? I can't hear it well, but it
Daddy,
doesn't
it
matter.
stopped raining.
I just want to show you when you alone how you can practice and you can correct yourself.
Okay. Okay.
Okay? Also, one thing that's really important because maybe you sense any differences, but wholly and generally you say that they are different. Yes, you need to listen to native English speakers as much as you can every day, every night. I don't know, even when you're asleep, because your ears and your brain need to be familiar with how a native English speaker pronounce and generate the vowels and consonants and put them together. Yeah? I don't want you to understand it. Just listen. It really helps you for this practice and to understand the differences. Yes?
Okay.
Uh, okay, okay. So, can I ask you to repeat that again? Uh, Let me go.
I need to record.
No, no, because I think. But you can record when you are alone and your daily
Perfect.
practice. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Daddy, it stopped raining.
Uh, she said, "Daddy, I don't know. Daddy, it stopped raining.
For example,
It stopped, stopped raining.
here, she didn't say it stopped. Yeah, it stopped raining. It, yeah, it stopped. She didn't pronounce the e like really to um, pour more stress on e. Yeah, and
Okay.
he connect the words together. Yeah, stop raining, like a one word. I don't know. if I can get my
Yep.
point to you or not.
Yep. I am starting. Yep. You are saying it's something like if we put the end of each word together with the next
Mm-hmm.
one, so
Mm-hmm.
we get one word with
Yes, yes, yes,
uh,
exactly. Also, for example, here another rule, it's not stopped, stopped, yes?
okay.
It's somehow uh, break down. The voice is breakdown. And raining, it's not raining, raining. Yeah? One more time.
Daddy, it stopped raining.
Stop raining. Yeah? I
Okay.
don't want to, um, bother you or push you that much. I just want to show you how it works as you record yourself and compare yourself with the original one. Try to understand your differences and try to improve yourself. And maybe as you go on, you will gradually go become more talent and you know um, even sensitive, even more slight differences. Yes, but for now it's okay. Maybe you should just try to pronounce correctly. It's also okay.
Perfect.
Also, let me tell you, if we face a new word, we don't let it go. We will create a doc file and we place all the new words there, and we attach
Okay.
some images related to that word. And I'll also ask you to place some examples that you can understand them, and ask you to repeat them out loud to make your brain and or your ears familiar with how these words can be used in different situations. And we will go to practice many other things. For example, I ask you to create an imaginary story with these new words. Also, for example, I ask you at the first of our session that, for example, please go for an introduction video, for example, of your
Yeah.
services. So I strongly recommend you after, for example, every at least uh, um, week, try to revise this, for example, script or your video with the new knowledge that you have learned. And it really improves your, presentation and also your confidence because you repeat it again and again and again. Yes? And
Okay.
I will help you. I will do my best to help you to do this in a perfect manner. But I'm not your teacher, and this is the last point. I'm not your teacher. I'm a
Yes.
friend, and the main role, the main character of this learning journey is you, and I'm just helping you to, go for this route and this methodology more faster and easier. And I'm really glad to meet you, Chris.
Uh, the same. It is a pleasure, and yeah, I want you to know I do my best uh,
Thank you.
in this site. So yeah, that's perfect. And one more thing, if you can you give me an idea of a homework? Because I
Would
want
you
to.
mind? Sorry, would you mind if I ask you to turn on your mobile phone, connect with your mobile phone, if
Okay,
you don't
perfect.
mind?
Yeah,
If you don't mind.
don't worry.
Okay, thank
Let
you.
me
Thank you.
change. Yeah. the microphone of my phone is better than
Uh-huh.
on this region.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Yes. Hello
can you
again.
hear me?
Yes, yes, I
Can you
can.
hear me?
Uh,
Yeah. And what I'm trying to say, it's I will take, or I want to take 3 lessons per week, maybe Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So I want to I want to keep the. I want to study. I want to keep me studying in those days that I won't take a lesson with you. So I ask you if you can give me a homework or a task, something like uh, something like record your voice and try again. Yeah, that's perfect.
yes, yes.
uh, Maybe watch some series. I don't know the chapter one and try to I don't know something like that. If you can, if it.
Uh, are you available on Telegram?
Yep.
Yes, here's
And
my. So, can you
let
send me
me.
your ID, Telegram ID?
Okay. Uh, what's the ID?
What was that?
What is your ID, Mohammed?
I don't know. I think I changed the setting and um,
There is a lot of Mohammed in,
yeah.
in Telegram.
Yes, here.
Okay, let me check.
And I'm Muhammad Ali.
Perfect. Mohammed Ali, yeah,
Uh,
it's great. Uh, like the champion of the box.
yes, yes. I'm Muhammad Ali Clay.
Uh,
With a little beard,
I'm
yes.
Mohammed Ali. Okay, Mohammed Ali Rustiger. Okay,
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Ali Rustiger. Ah, okay. Uh, Rustiger. 1994. Okay, I got you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, nice.
Oh, yes, Chris.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Very good.
Uh,
So, you can send me your files here. If you don't like, for example, this animation, please choose another animation. And you should be native in English. You should like it, and also you should understand around 20% or until 70% of it. And yes, you should do this transcription, listen, and then write down everything that you just heard, and
okay.
try to correct yourself. And you should spot the places and the words that you can't identify, and also go for shadowing, listen, and then repeat what you just heard. Yes, and record
Yeah.
yourself, and try to compare your recording with the original one. This is the two most important practice that you should do every day. But you can, for example, have a doc file, create a doc file, and maybe if you like, you can share it with me. This is my